How to activate your Lloyds Bank credit card. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to activate your Lloyds Bank credit card. To activate your Lloyds Bank credit card, you have to follow the steps. Open up a browser and then on the web address bar, type in a link that is www.lloydsbank.com/credit card activate. This is going to take you to the direct page where you could go ahead and activate it. So here, while you're on this page, scroll down a bit and go to online form guide, and you can find this link as to activate your credit card. Go ahead and press that. As soon as you press on it, you can find the section where you could go ahead and enter your credit card number, the date of birth, and then the expiry date. Once you've done that, you'll be able to find this option as activate. Then you just have to go ahead and set up a pin. Once you've completely set up the pin, you've successfully activated your credit card. So that's how you could go ahead and activate your credit card. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.